Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya, haka arpusan tarik nailar arajar arpuar, kelai soy ke jingate kular berka National Insurance Company Limited, nakabenta ban pentrikam ya ka Mega Health Insurance Scheme ne ka MHIS Phase 5, berka Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Ram Kumar IAS CEO Mega Health Insurance Scheme, ubelong ru Additional Secretary jongka Health and Family Welfare jongka Sorkar Jela. Ula soy ka jingate kular nakabenta ka Sorkar Meghalaya, baru LS Puni Isaac, ubadeu Assistant Manager ka National Insurance Company Limited. Ula soy nakabenta ka Insurance Company hakabalay don lang u James P.K. Sangma, ubadeu Menteri ka tanat ka koy kakya ka MHIS kebasan bat ka PMGAY kan kiu nakasanlak tingka syakasan poin san paulak. Paro kinong juga jela kinyo jimetoy lang bagate ka skim. Laino ikibat rekam Sorkar, bat lakalong ka Sorkar jela ne ka Sorkar Padang. Kane kan trekam nadu ka shitrik unay lur arajar arpuar. Kane ka skim, bayarap ka Sorkar ikipajba haba kidana Padang ka jimpang.